Today we're going to be replacing our vintage tuners with some Guyker locking tuners. This is my Vintage SG copy. I received it in pretty beat up shape. I bought it second hand, and obviously the previous owner used it as a baseball bat or a garden shovel. It's got lots of cracks, lots of dings, and look at this tuner. It's like a little tiny Tim there with a little wobbly leg. So get yourself a string winder. You do need one, they are amazing. And remove your strings. You want to loosen them up first and then cut them so you won't lose an eyeball. Next, unscrew the tuners from the back of the headstock. They should just slide right out. You want to be measuring the holes of your tuners as well to make sure that they will fit. 8mm is vintage, 10mm is modern. If you get 10mm, you'll need one of these drill bit parts. Drill some pilot holes so you won't crack the lacquer, and then finish it off with your 10mm drill bit. These are the Guyker tuners. I think they look bougie, and they're coming in at 6mm diameter, so they're going to fit my bushings quite well. So I slotted the new tuners back into the holes, and now I'm going to screw them into place. It's really that simple. I think they look great. Here's is the locking tuner. So you spin the little wheel at the back, and that pushes that bar up, and that locks the string in place. Take the opportunity when your strings are off to graphite your nut. That literally means taking a mechanical pencil and filling it in. Next, stick on your favorite strings. So just pull the string through the hole, turn the little wheel and lock it in place, and then tune it up. Make sure you clip off the ends of your strings so you don't look weird. Now it's finished, let's see how it looks. I think it looks great. These Guyker tuners are super feeling, and I love the vintage end so we don't lose that SG vibe. Let's take a bougie close-up. Ooh la la. These locking tuners will help the guitar stay in tune, and also they're just handy, so get some.